Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Snapchat account without email and phone number. Actually, Snapchat requires either an email or phone number to recover your account. But if you don't have access to either, there are limited options that you can do. And I'm going to tell you through this video, so just watch this until the end. The first one that you can do is contact the Snapchat support. So just visit the Snapchat support website and explain your situations. You need to provide as much information as possible about your account, such as your username, display name, and any other details you remember. And support may be able to assess you if they can verify your identity through other means. So make sure that you explain it in detail. And then the second one that you can do is check for a connected email. So if you have a secondary email where Snapchat emails are forwarded, you might be able to find the registered email address there. So look for emails from this address, no underscore reply at snapchat.com, so you can find your registered email address there. And the last one that you can do, you can use a password manager if applicable. If you have a password manager like Google Password Manager, it might have stored your Snapchat credential. And important to note that recovering a Snapchat account without associated email or phone number can be challenging, and Snapchat prioritizes account security and may not be able to assist you if they cannot verify your identity. If possible, you can also try to recovering access to the phone number or email linked to your account. If you want to recover your email, you can contact your email provider to regain access to your email, or you can also visit your mobile carrier to retrieve your phone number. And to prevent the same future issues, you can just add a valid email and phone number to your Snapchat account and enable the two-factor authentication for extra security. And don't forget to write down or save your login credentials securely. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. If you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment if you still have question, and don't forget to click thanks and subscribe to our channel. Bye!